What's going on, y'all? Look at what I'm holding in my hand. I'm holding a flank steak, and you might not believe it. I've never had one before. But today we gonna change that. And since my wife really doesn't do steak, I got her a piece of pork chop for herself. Extra thick, y'all. Extra thick. So anyway, first thing we need to do is go ahead and rain on it. Hit it with that salt and pepper. You know, my whole life I've been more of a ribeye person. That's my favorite cut of steak. This is my first time trying this flank steak. So after we get it rained on, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan. And then we're going to get our pork and our steak into that pan. And look how good it look cooking up, y'all. I'm getting excited. Like I say, this is my first time. So as soon as I can get that pan shake like that, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a flip. Now me, what I like to do after I flip it, I like to kind of move that meat around, making sure that oil is real good on the bottom of it so I can get a nice crust, y'all. Because you know you want that crust. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Just for a little bit more richness. And then we're just going to keep flipping and rubbing it around that skillet to get that butter incorporated into that flavor until we reach that magic temp that we looking for. Now, on the steak, I'm looking for a 135. And on that pork, I'm looking for 140. So once we reach that magic temp, look at that pork, y'all. Nice crust on it. Nice. And then we're going to go ahead and grab that steak too, y'all. We're going to let these rest for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and cut into them, y'all. Always let your meat rest. And oh my goodness, look at that cut. Just how I like it, y'all. Medium rare. Medium rare. And here's our finished product. Look at that steak, y'all. Let me go ahead and give me a bite in, because I need to see what this flank steak is working with, y'all. So let's cut into this pork. I already know what this is about. My wifey always loved us some pork. And look how juicy and tender it looks. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.